For this video, we're going to take a quick look at this CV 4K dual dash cam. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. I'm going to voice over a bunch of the features, but I want to give you a heavy dose of footage directly from the dash cam because that's what you're here for. That's what you want to know is the quality of the video you're going to get from it. So you're going to see a lot of that. Again, it is a 4K camera, but it is a dual camera. You have a forward-facing camera and also a rear-facing camera. So if you ever get rear-ended, you will be very happy to have that rear-facing camera so you catch it all on tape. So the rear-facing camera is a 1080p. You're getting the 4K out of the front-facing camera. It's a super simple installation with the peel and stick onto the windshield. Uses a USB-C plugged into your cigarette lighter. Another thing I do like about the power plug is it has a USB port on the back side so you can still charge your phone or another device while the dash cam is plugged in. Also, once you have it installed, you can rotate the angle of the camera so you can get exactly what you want. It has a LCD screen on the front so you can see what it's recording, but it can also be controlled by their app. You'll download the GKU Go app, and from there you can live view, you can fully take over all controls of the dash cam, which is really nice to do. Also, by the way, this comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card, which is already installed in the camera. Now, some of the other features that you should expect out of a dash cam, we have the night vision, you have the 24-hour parking mode. Now, the parking mode, you do need a separate hardware kit, and that's the same for every dash cam that has that feature. You need a Hardwire kit for that because when you plug into the cigarette lighter, when you turn off the car, you lose power to the cigarette lighter. And for the 24-hour parking mode, you need a constant voltage to the camera so that it can detect if there's any funny business going on around your vehicle when you're not there. It does have the G sensor. It'll automatically lock a file if you slam on your brakes or something. That way it does not get erased and it saves that file for you because it's assuming you slammed on your brakes for a good reason. You do have the wide angle lens on it. So this dash cam is full of all the features that you would want. I'm sitting here trying to think of anything it doesn't have, and I feel like it checks all the boxes. So all that comes down to now is the quality, especially of your forward-facing camera. It's nice to have the rear camera, the rear windshield camera facing the back. You actually don't have to use it if you don't want to. It is a separate plug that you could just not use if you don't want. But the front-facing camera is the star of the show, so I'm going to let you sit back and relax and check out some of the footage directly from the camera so that you can make your mind up if this is the dash cam for you.